my package. Ta-da! It says thanks, Dahlia. They're so nice. So today we will be replacing my rear motor mount. As you guys know, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, this happened when I was at the track. I also got a sticker from them, which is awesome. I have all the parts here. I was looking at reviews from Cobb and then JBR, but I had more, I guess, better reviews on this one. And I actually got it in cold. Isn't that awesome? Anyway, so I'll just show you guys how to replace the rear motor mount. I already replaced the passenger side motor mount because it went out on me the first time. Oh, sorry. The first time I was at the track, actually. My luck, right? Anyway, so just stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to do it. Now, for those people that don't know where the motor mount is located, it is right here. We are going to put another jack right here to hold the motor up and to take some tension off of this right here, and then yeah.
Alright, so she's trying to figure out the sizes of these bolts, and we have an impact to make it easier.
We have to take this one off. Whoa, that's already loose.
I bet you it's an 18.
It's already loose.
Yeah, I know, because it's probably broken. Nope, it has to be tight on there. So try 16. Alright. Yeah. Is it all reverse? It's gonna be loud.
That's fine.
Hold it down. Hold it down. Alright, you're gonna have to use the bigger one, because that's not working. Yeah. See, you won't be able to get that with just the wrench.
Are you sure it's the right way?
Yeah. You just need to get the bigger one. Alright, so the yellow impact, which is 3/8, wasn't strong enough, so we're getting a 1/2 inch impact.
Oh, by the way, so we noticed this thing.
Oh yeah, it's cracked, so we're gonna have to get a new exhaust rubber mount thingamajigger.
So good thing we're down here anyways. Check it out.
Is it the right way? Did you check? Yep. Now just hold it on there until it comes off. There it goes. Keep it. So it's not crooked. There you go. There you go. Nice.
This is the same size.
Same size? Alright. Do that.
Can I use the other smaller one?
No, that's probably going to be the same tightness.
Well, how am I going to do this?
Like that.
There you go.
Keep going. Alright. Nice. So, it looks like it's the same size, both 18 mil. Oh, there's a spider right there. Yeah, 18 mil. It was pretty on there. We had to use the bigger impact. So, yeah. And then this whole thing should just wiggle off. So I'm gonna put the camera down so I can wiggle this off. Alright, so I was trying to get it off, and my wife has a great idea. It's kind of hard to slide this out with this bracket, so my wife said to take these 3 bolts off and this bracket.
We're only gonna we're gonna leave this one on.
Which one?
This one on. And we're gonna take this off. And I think this one too.
Oh, so it'll just slide down?
Yeah.
We'll probably have to loosen that though still, so it'll slide down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure. So basically what you need is a 17 and a 19.
You gotta open up a can of man.
A can of lady. I can't do it.
Alright, let me put this down.
I scrape too much.
Look at all the scrapage.
Sometimes I don't care. I'm just kidding.
It's too low.
Not too low. It has to be lower. What do you guys think about bags? Should like this video to see.
Everybody likes bags.
Yeah, but a MazdaSpeed. My MazdaSpeed.
Tell them about. Look at that stock suspension.
What you talking about?
Look at that.
That'll be next. Just kidding. It wouldn't be next because. All right, we're gonna take this one off.
Make sure it's on there all the way.
It's on there.
So it won't strip. Just loosen up the bottom one too while you're at it.
Oh. Don't tell me what to do. I'm doing this by myself. Because apparently you didn't know what you was doing. That was already loose. This one's already loose. Oh wait, never mind.
Wait, is the jack on that? Sitting on that? No, it's not. Alright.
Alrighty. Alright, just kidding. We did have to. Ah, there's a spider web. Right. So we did have to just loosen this one, not take it out, but there it is.
You should just be able to pull that out.
Oh crap, look, it's still coming apart.
Yank it. Yank it.
Okay, there it is. Oh my gosh.
That's busted. All those hard launches on at Coastal Carolina.
Coastal Plains Raceway.
Coastal Plains.
Yeah.
Just throw it.
This is a keeper.
Yeah, just throw it over there for now.
Alrighty.
Alright, where's the new one? Oh, wow, that's pretty. Here you go.
Hi.
Oh.
I want to see what she's doing. Ooh.
Wait, pull that back out. Check in there to see if it's if there's still stuff in there.
Oh.
All right, now slide it.
She has no toys or anything. She's just talking to herself.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Aren't you afraid
Wiggle,
you're
wiggle.
getting crushed?
Wait a second, baby.
Sometimes.
All right, so it wouldn't slide on there easily, so we put some
Grease.
all-purpose grease on both sides, and then we're gonna put some on the inside, so it'll slide in there easily. But yeah, there's a new one, and
I've already showed them.
oh yeah,
I think so.
yeah. There's the old one. Look at that.
We lubed it up.
I can see your pretty eyelashes.
Thank you. My girl will be happy. Alright, so you have to keep going. It's almost there. It's almost there.
It's in.
It's not in. But this is why you have a husband to help you. Baby, I need your help.
She's almost got it.
I'm almost on it, but keep moving it. It's too hot.
Once it's in, let me know.
It's in.
Okay, so it's in.
All right, so I had to slide it in because Dahlia couldn't do it, but I guess you slide it in, put the bolt on, just a little bit, you know, screw it on for, just screw it on a little bit so it'll hold that area, and then so now you can wiggle back and forth and put this on there, slide this on there, like so. And then just screw this on there a little bit.
Did you get it in?
Yeah. Alright, so it came with bolts. I just realized that. So we're going to take these two off.
Oh, did you put those in there?
The old crusty ones.
Yeah, but it's already aligned, so I'm going to have Dolly take over with the new bolts and put it on there. It's already aligned.
Do that again.
I'm back. It's me. All right.
Did you hear me?
So what you say? Oh, I know.
This
Yeah.
This goes through, and then this goes in the other side. And
Yes, one cross thread. Oh. Alright, that's good. No, more.
baby.
But you did it and then it stopped. There you go. Now I know that it's not cross thread. Hold it on there for a good bit.
I am.
Damn, it's freaking loud, man.
You have it? You hold it?
Yep.
You have it on?
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Alright, that's good. Yep. Alright, so we had a little bit of struggling aligning this, as you saw, but figured it out. I just loosened this and then wiggled this around and made sure all three bolts were on there. And then once I got that on there, I used the jack to jack it up because this was lower, so it wasn't aligning. But once you jack it up, it'll align, wiggle both sides, and that bolt will go straight through and wham.
So, just a heads up, put these back on first.
Yeah, you put these back on first and then put this bolt on. But yeah, she's on there now. Good job, babe.
Yay, I did it.
We'll go ahead and take all these jacks off.
And then give it a
And-
whirl.
Yeah, give it a swirl like James Charles would say.
Jeffree Star.
Or Jeffree Star. My bad, Jeffrey. Jeffrey! Alright, so the car's down. We're gonna go start it and see how the engine vibrates the inside of the vehicle, or of the MazdaSpeed. On the first start.
It's not as loud as the passenger side motor mount, but I'm so happy to hear my car turn back on, bro.
I mean,
I didn't drive it only because of that issue.
Yeah. But I kind of feel it. I used to not be able to feel it on my foot, the vibration. It used to just be on the dash, but now it's like, it's everywhere. I feel it on, ooh. Especially when you rev it, I feel it on the seat and everything.
Hey.
Ho ho!
So what do you think about the difference?
Oh, there is a big difference. At first I thought there wasn't, but there's actually a big difference here. I can't wait to take it back on the track, only because like my wheel hub and the last time I went was pretty horrible. But I feel like this time it's gonna be like much better. And probably my launch will be semi-decent. I'm about to go ahead and check this thing out. Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, it is different.
How different?
Like you said, torque steer.
Mm-hmm.
It's not as much as it was before.
Yeah.
Back then I'll be like, no, I'm not.
Trying to hold on for dear life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, but like you said, you feel like you're more with the car. You're more one with the car.
Yeah. Well, we had to change the exhaust hanger.
too.
Yeah.
It didn't slip like it usually does
Mhm.
on first and second whenever you launch it. Even on third it slips a little bit, but it didn't even slip at all. That's crazy.
So I don't think these guys have showed like any of you guys my new toy, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Oakley. Hey. Oakley. Hi. What you doing? All right, you guys, that's the end of the video. So now you know how to change a rear motor mount. This guy's talking crap about my car. We have to give him the sauce of the track now that I have a rear motor mount. Just kidding. I probably wouldn't. But yeah, so now you know how to do that. If you have any questions or whatever, just let us know. Like I said, get Damond rear motor mount. Please subscribe and like this video. Share if you would like. Oakley says yes. Yay! Yay! Say that's it. Bye-bye. Bye.
He laughed. Where'd she go?